Looks like you're ready. Click here to start streaming. Okay. Um. Hello, good evening. My name is Joshua. I'm doing Advent of Code. It's day 16. My hands are full of chicken. AOCDRO 16 dot Lua. No. Dot input. My God. I'm on the ball today. Will today finally be the day of an hour-long problem? Probably not. Sully apparently went and implemented a binary decision diagram based implementation of this, like a part 2 for day 14. That is to say, a part 2 for day 14 that generalizes well. And apparently, like, no matter how big the I don't know, it always runs very slowly, but as the input gets much bigger, it does not run dramatically more slowly. Anyway, so that's fun. How long have I been coding? Like most of my life. I'm, 31? So, not less than 20 years. Let's see. Actually, I'll have more to say about that later. When I have more than 10 minutes to talk about. Thinking about, I asked a question at the beginning of the last stream of how do you train for this kind of thing? How do you get better at competitive? Oh, God. All right, let's grab the input. Woo! Cute. I understand this. For okay, I know how to do this. Well, let's start parsing anyway. Blah, blah, blah. S1 equals to number of S1, E1, S2, E2. Let's not get hosed here. E1, S2, E2. Table.insert rules. Wait. Table subname equals this one equals 4 minutes in, we've written a parser. Tickets that contain values that are not valid for any field. Go iterating. Field. Fix syntax errors. Print the output. I think I have time. Good. Yeah, well. What on the hell? Oh my god. My goodness. Let's just... I know how to do this. Da-da-da. Class, row, and oh. What day is today anyway? Find the one for which could not be sub field 4, field n, CNB, not be in pairs. Plenty of valid tickets. out one per ticket, which seems bad. Oh. Oh shit. God damn it. Fuck. No. I already wrote this once. Pairs of Okay. Let's play this game again, huh?
So now ascend tab is a mapping from column to rule. Leave the rest of this alone for a moment. This is not the most efficient way to do this, but fix. At first you don't succeed. Okay, well. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Hey, yay, yay. Yeah, I should have just used Z3 for this. If I were using Python, Z3 would have been the answer here. Yeah, Sully says that felt like a pretty good day 10 problem for me, or to me, and I agree. I I think that would have been a pretty good day 10 problem. All the same, I'm glad. This was kind of a mess. I'm going to clean this up slightly here. I thrashed a little bit. Yeah, I just like grabbed my 2018 day 16 code. Okay. Try assigning the rule number n to column could be both of my laptops are making a lot of noise, and I don't understand why. Bloop, 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 bloop. For field number and rule in pairs of assignment tab, do rule map sub rule dot name is field number. My ticket sub rule map sub this want. Okay, that's better. Yeep. At long last, I've solved both parts of the problem in one file. I usually split things out, but did not need to do that this time. Yeah, so the first thing I did was not good. I had forgotten that this could be constrained in this particular way. So the very first thing that I did was eep, 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 eep. The very first thing that I did was assume that each column was uniquely constrained. And that, my friends, was not true. But everything is sufficiently constrained that I don't know. It turns into an n queens problem basically. You're constraint solving, or you're optimizing across. You have enough constraints, or Sudoku solving, or whatever it is. You have enough constraints that you can ultimately assign exactly one to each column. Anyway, I'm gonna push my code git add 16.lua git commit -m16 git push. How did I do today? Hi Sumner. I did not fantastic. 298. Did you beat me? Right.
So one of the things that I was talking about at the beginning of last night's stream, when Sumner, I thought that Sumner was a previously competitive programmer, and that turned out not to be the case. Nice work, dude. And I was like, how do you train for this? How do you coach competitive programming, and all that sort of thing? And I was gonna go ask M Serrano about this. Um, do do do. I was gonna ask M Serrano about this. I assume that he leaderboarded tonight, since I share an IRC channel with him. Um, yeah, I share an IRC channel with him, and he was on the CMU competitive programming team for a good long while. And I realized that the actual answer here is that I shouldn't be asking anybody this question. The answer is that I should just be doing more and more and more and more and more of these. And there's a great article that, wow, T-Right got 29. Very, very good. I should be doing more of these. And there's like this theory that you achieve mastery of something after like 10,000 hours or something. And obviously, I've spent 10,000 hours writing programs, but not 10,000 hours competitively programming. And so there's this great article, Why You Probably Won't Get Better at Pool, by Jennifer Beretta, who is, I believe, a pro pool player. And her point behind this is, if you ask that question, like especially if you ask her that question, then you've not you're trying to find a fast path to getting better when there is no real fast path. The fast path is there's nothing to it but just like grinding it out and just, spending, in her case, hours and hours and hours at the pool table. Or in my case, it would be, just spending way more time doing competitive problems. And so maybe, what I should do is I should take a summer of code or something and go and blast out all of, I don't know, which haven't I completed yet? Events. Yeah, I haven't completed 2015 or 2016 yet. And so maybe I should just go blast through 2015 and 2016 or something like that. Or go redo some of the earlier ones for time or something like that. But anyway, go read this article. This article is really damn good. And I don't know, that maybe that's the lesson is to just practice more. In this case, I should have identified that this was a harder constraint solving problem than I had thought. And I think I spent like a minute or two when I did not need to on it. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. I was just a little slow tonight, and that's fine. I kind of enjoyed tonight's problem anyway, and hopefully you enjoyed getting a view into solving it. And if you liked tonight's problem, I recommend, if you like constraint solving problems, you should do 2018 day 16, where they give you a virtual machine and they ask you, and it's the same thing. It's, you have a bunch of opcodes and you have a bunch of before and after, and you can compare the results, and you're supposed to assign numbers to opcodes. Execute the test program. What was... Yeah. That was a fun problem. I liked that one a lot. Anyway, that's nice work, Sumner. You did a great job tonight. And I'll see you all tomorrow.